anyone watching feels the same way, don't be shy about letting your congressman know.
We're not going to shy away from things that are uncomfortable sometimes. As you can see, David's shy and lacks enthusiasm, but nevertheless, bold and generous and doesn't shy away from challenges and says that we're all in it together. And when I think about the contributions that all of you have made, of course, none of this would be possible if it hadn't been for the shy and retiring owner of the Dallas Mavericks, Mark Cuban. So, not only did Mark help put together an outstanding group of players and coaches, he was also responsible for making this event happen today. That's the American way. We don't shy away from financial success. I can tell, though, DeAndre's a little shy.
Mr. President, in the past, you've been, particularly when frustrated with China on the issue of North Korea, not shy about telling President Hu that the U.S. will do what's necessary to protect its national security interests.
Now, the first thing you have to learn is you can't be shy about getting some attention.
And we cannot shy away from taking those steps. Ellen is not as shy as Clinton.
As a child, Rosa Parks was shy, reserved, at least on the outside.
And that is not something that people should shy away from, deciding that at this stage in their lives, Jacob looked like a pretty young guy, that renting is probably the best option. Until you know that you can actually purchase safely, soundly.
I want you to be shy. I want you to be relaxed, okay? And we'll talk more about how do we get you to your goals, okay? And hopefully this conversation here will help students around the country.
And because of the strength of our own democracy, we should not shy away from high expectations.